Hey my loves, ready for lashes that wow? Today, I'm sharing my ultimate secrets for thick, fluttery lashes. No falsies required. Forget expensive extensions and daily glue. These tips will transform your natural lashes with just a few easy changes. We'll cover everything: gentle makeup removal, nourishing foods, and the best products for real results. Grab a notepad. You won't want to miss a step. By the end, you'll have a complete roadmap to your dream lashes. Let's dive in. The very first rule for beautiful, healthy lashes: always remove your makeup gently, every single night, no matter how tired you are. This simple habit is the secret to keeping your lashes strong and lush for years to come. Sleeping in mascara might seem harmless, but it actually makes your lashes brittle and leads to breakage. You might even notice mascara stains on your pillow, a sign your lashes are suffering. Think of your lashes like delicate silk threads. Never rub or tug at them. Harsh rubbing can cause them to fall out prematurely and even irritate the sensitive skin around your eyes. Instead, use a soft cotton pad soaked in a gentle oil-based remover. Oil-based formulas break down stubborn makeup without stripping your lashes or skin. Press the pad gently onto your closed eye for about 30 seconds. This allows the remover to dissolve even waterproof mascara, so you don't have to scrub. When you wipe, always move downward in one smooth motion. Avoid going back and forth, which can weaken and pull out your lashes. If there's still makeup left, repeat the process with a fresh, clean pad. Never reuse a dirty pad, as it can spread bacteria and irritate your eyes. This gentle approach preserves your lashes, keeps them looking full, and creates a healthy base for new growth. Over time, you'll notice your lashes looking healthier and more resilient. Make this your nightly ritual. It's a small act of self-care that truly transforms your lashes and your skin. You'll wake up feeling fresher, and your lashes will thank you. Remember, you can't grow thick, beautiful lashes if you're breaking them every night. Consistency is key. Gentle care leads to lasting results. Promise me, be gentle, be patient, and trust the process. Your lashes need time and kindness to flourish. With a little love and care, your lashes will reward you by growing longer, stronger, and more beautiful than ever. This gentle routine is the foundation for everything else you do for your lashes. It's the first step to achieving your dream look, so treat your lashes with love every single night. They deserve it, and so do you. Want a real boost? Lash serums are your secret weapon. They're packed with peptides, biotin, and panthenol to nourish and strengthen from the root. Apply a thin line to your upper lash line at night, just like eyeliner. Be consistent. Results show in 4 to 6 weeks. Softer, denser, longer lashes. No overnight miracles, but the transformation is real. Investing in a good serum means healthier, fuller lashes. No makeup needed. Stick with it and watch your lashes transform. It's one of the best ways to get that dramatic, fluttery look naturally. Let's talk eyelash curlers. These little beauty tools can work wonders for your lashes, giving them that perfect lift and making your eyes pop. But as amazing as they are, they can also be risky if not used properly, and a single mistake can lead to damaged lashes or even discomfort. Never clamp down too hard or use the curler after applying mascara. This is a common mistake that can cause your lashes to break, stick together, or even get pulled out. Mascara makes lashes stiff and fragile, so curling them at this stage is a big no-no. Always start with clean, bare lashes. This helps prevent unnecessary stress and keeps your lashes flexible and strong, making it much safer to curl them. If you want a gentle curl after mascara, try using your fingertip to softly lift your lashes while the mascara is still drying. This technique gives a subtle lift without risking breakage or clumping. Heated eyelash curlers are a safer alternative for many people. They gently warm the lashes, making it easier to shape them without squeezing or tugging, and they're especially helpful for stubborn, straight lashes. If you prefer a traditional curler, always check that the pad is soft, clean, and free of any old mascara. A worn-out or dirty pad can damage your lashes and reduce the effectiveness of the curl. Use gentle pulses, starting at the base of your lashes and moving toward the tip. This walking technique creates a natural, beautiful curl instead of a harsh bend. Avoid curling at harsh angles or pulling on your lashes. Always use slow, controlled movements to prevent unnecessary stress or pain. Treat your lashes with care. Brush them gently and avoid over-manipulating. Healthy lashes are more likely to stay full, long, and beautiful. Remember, a little caution and the right technique go a long way in keeping your lashes looking their best every day. What you eat matters for lash health. Biotin-rich foods like eggs, nuts, and sweet potatoes support growth. Vitamin E, sunflower seeds, spinach, and vitamin C, citrus, bell peppers, protect and strengthen follicles. Omega-3s from salmon, chia seeds, or walnuts keep lashes hydrated and strong. Don't forget protein and iron. Think chicken, beans, and leafy greens. A balanced diet means stronger, thicker lashes from within. Add these foods to your meals for real results. Beauty truly starts from the inside out. Feed your lashes, and they'll flourish. Healthy body, healthy lashes. For a natural boost, try castor or coconut oil. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, great for conditioning and reducing breakage. Coconut oil penetrates and protects the lash's protein structure. Use a clean spoolie or fingertip to apply a tiny amount before bed. Both oils double as gentle makeup removers. Consistent use leaves lashes softer, glossier, and less prone to snapping. Choose pure, cold-pressed oils for best results. This simple ritual can make a big difference. Sometimes, natural is best. Give your lashes a nourishing treat. Stop rubbing your eyes. It's a major cause of lash loss. Rubbing creates friction, pulling lashes out before they're ready. If your eyes itch, use soothing drops or gently pat with your ring finger. Avoid rubbing, especially with mascara on. Be mindful. Breaking this habit preserves your lashes. Small changes make a big impact. Protect your lashes by keeping your hands away. Healthy lashes start with gentle habits. The right mascara makes all the difference when it comes to achieving the lashes of your dreams. With so many options on the market, it's important to know what you're looking for before making a choice. Not all mascaras are created equal, and the right formula can completely transform your look. Choose volumizing formulas with dense brushes for maximum thickness. These brushes help coat every lash, giving you a fuller, more dramatic effect that really opens up your eyes. Start with a lash primer for extra volume and protection. Primers not only boost the effect of your mascara, but also help condition your lashes, keeping them healthy and strong. Use the wiggle technique. Apply at the base and wiggle up for even coverage. This ensures every lash is coated from root to tip, preventing clumps and creating a more natural, fanned-out look. Avoid waterproof mascara for daily use. It's tough to remove and can cause breakage. While waterproof formulas are great for special occasions, using them every day can weaken your lashes over time. Opt for regular formulas that come off easily with gentle cleansers. This helps protect your lashes from unnecessary stress and keeps your makeup routine simple and gentle. The right mascara enhances your natural lashes, not damages them. Look for nourishing ingredients that support lash health while giving you the look you love. Application technique matters as much as the product. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for your unique lashes and eye shape. Show off your healthy, thick lashes with confidence. When you choose the right mascara and apply it with care, your lashes will look their best every day. Remember, makeup should highlight your natural beauty, not harm it. Treat your lashes with care, and they'll reward you with stunning results. That's it, my top secrets for thick, gorgeous lashes. Combine these habits for real lasting results. Try them out and share your progress in the comments. Let's support each other on our beauty journeys. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips. Sending love. See you in the next video.